Welcome to Yamane Yacht Manufacturing Co. Limited. Today, we introduce the Yamane 27 feet fiberglass fishing boat, a versatile vessel designed for fishing, offshore exploration, and marine activities. With an overall length of 8.5 meters and a beam of 2.69 meters, this boat provides a spacious working deck for fishing and onboard operations, built with a modern hull design and high-strength fiberglass construction. The boat delivers reliable performance for every ocean adventure. Thoughtful console design with easy access features, integrated deck fill for safe and convenient refueling, inspection door for maintenance and onboard storage. The open deck layout offers excellent mobility with ample space for fishing rods, storage boxes, and marine equipment. Comfort goes beyond the deck. The cabin features a private restroom area, bringing more convenience and comfort to every trip. Designed to carry 8 to 10 passengers, this fishing boat is ideal for family trips, professional fishing, tourism, and offshore adventures. Every detail is carefully designed, from the durable fiberglass structure to the practical onboard systems, ensuring safety, comfort, and convenience. Whether for ocean exploration, commercial fishing operations, or weekend leisure trips, the Yamane 27 feet fishing boat is ready for your next adventure. Designed for a superior boating experience, the captain seat provides excellent visibility and comfortable operation. The optional console T-top offers shade and protection from the sun, making it perfect for lure fishing and offshore leisure activities. Smart marine electronics at your fingertips. Integrated chart plotter and fish finder system, helping you navigate confidently, track water depth, and locate fish easily.